Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I am bringing you this really kind of girly and flirty. Like, it's a little bit fancy, just a little bit, just because of the glitter, but I like it. It'll turn out really cute. Y'all know I don't do too many girly looks, but I kind of like this, so I'm feeling it. And I used pressed glitters for the first time from this company on Instagram called LMA.Beauty, and they had this whole glitter palette. You will see it throughout the story. I want to use it. And yeah, like, I really love the palette. The pressed glitters, I'm getting used to. I'm kind of feeling kind of like, okay. But anyways, if you want to see how I got this look, then keep watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, comment, like, share, turn on notifications, because you don't want to miss any of the videos I have coming up. And yeah, that's it. And I will see you in my next look. Okay, so the palette we're using today is from a company called LMA.Beauty. And their company is on Instagram. They have a website and everything. And it's just basically a pressed glitter palette. You have like what, 6 pressed glitters, 3 shimmers, and like what, 5, 6 matte shadows. Okay. Hopefully you can see that. And the glitters are really pretty. Now, this is my first time working with pressed glitters, and I already did one eye like I usually do. And they're okay. I'm not used to it yet, but it is a convenience because then you don't have to worry about all the fallout. And yeah, like, I like it. I just have to get used to it. I'm so used to loose glitters and then just putting it on top of my eyeshadow. But I do like this because if I just like want an all glitter eye with no shimmer under it, the pressed glitters are great for that. Okay. So on to this eye look. We are going to take Sweetheart, which is this peachy pink right here. It's basically going to be a transition color. And these shadows are buildable, which is a good thing. Like, I feel like this is a good beginner's palette. Okay. Like, if you just want a few shadows and a few glitters to work with, this palette would be great. And it's affordable. I think it's like $20 at the most. Okay. Let's see how easy that is to blend. Okay. So next we're going into, what's this? Going into Foxy, which is the burgundy shade. Okay. And I'm going back in with the first brush just to blend the two shadows together. Okay, for the crease, I am going in with, what's this? Called Chocolate Drop, which is brown. And this palette has a little fallout, but it's like very minimal, and I mean very minimal, which is really good. Like, I don't mind fallout. Palettes have it. It's not a big deal. Okay, so I did add a little bit of black shadow in with the brown just to deepen the crease up a little bit more, and then I cut the crease with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. Okay, so for the lid, we are going to take that brown shadow and then put a little bit of it on the outer portion of the lid like I always do. And for the glitter, we're going to use, it's called Dreamer, which is this lilac purple. And we're also going to take, what is this? Trophy Girl, which is the gold. Okay. Okay, and in order for the glitter to stick, you need some type of adhesive. And the palette says to use glitter glue, glitter primer, whatever. Okay, so I do have the glitter glue, but I don't really like using it. I prefer to use my NYX multitasking mixing medium. So I'm gonna put this over my concealer and let it get tacky a little bit, and then I'm gonna do the glitter. Okay, so I'm taking the lilac purple first, which is called Dreamer. And with pressed glitter, you kind of have to dig in it, like a dig and swipe is what I'm realizing. Okay. And I'm going in with Trophy Girl, which is gold. And I'm basically just pressing this onto the lid. Okay, so next I'm going into the Juvia's Warrior palette, and I'm taking this cream shade. I don't know the name of it. I'm taking the cream shade for my brow bone. Okay, and for the inner corner, I am going to take, what's this? It's this gold shade. It's like very, very gold. put that first, and then I'm going into the Urban Decay Kristian Leanna palette and taking this pinky purple shade, which is called Spitfire. Yeah. Okay, and for a highlight, I'm taking the Colourpop Luster Dust in Aura Voice, like a very peachy color.